iPECS 1 for Android, Chat to Call to Video. Let's take a look at some of the more advanced chat features included in iPECS 1 for Android. We'll start by initiating a new chat with a colleague. Let's ask Mark if he still needs some help with his customer quote by sending him a message. Mark has responded, but it would be much easier to handle this situation through a phone call. This can be handled without the need to leave the chat. Tap the three buttons in the top right-hand corner of the screen. This displays more chat options. In order to start a phone call, tap the phone icon. The chat will now escalate to a voice call. Once answered, you will be presented with a number of options in the call window. Should you decide that this is a discussion better suited to video, then tap on the right arrow to reveal the option for video. Tap on the video icon, and your internal call will now escalate to video. Continue your call with your colleague, and hang up when you're finished, and hang up when finished. This shows how you can use iPECS 1 to escalate a chat into a phone call, and subsequently, a video call through the chat menu.